So it's supposed to get down to like -2 here in the next couple days. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna put some of the straw in there with these goats, calves. She's already been fed this morning, but so whenever you know it's gonna get that cold, you gotta make sure they got something they can kind of lay in, you know, to kind of keep the heat underneath of them. So you need to do this. You need to check if, like the rabbits, we're gonna have to put a heat source in there to keep that water line from freezing up. And just anything you can think of. If you need to fill any cracks in or whatever, go ahead and do that before it happens.
So why do you put straw down instead of hay?
So they can actually eat some of the straw, but they won't eat very much of it. Straw makes better bedding because it is a straw. It's hollow in the center. So if it gets wet, it'll dry out quicker than what hay will because hay is solid. So that's why you use straw for bedding. Now you can use hay for bedding. They'll probably eat most of it anyway, but you'll have to clean it up pretty quick after, otherwise it'll just get all that pee and everything soaked in it. It won't be able to dry out. It'll start getting bad bacteria in it that they'll be eating on and everything, and they'll stay wet and damp and get them sick. You don't want to do that. Oh my gosh, he's got a set of antlers on him, don't he?
Mm-hmm.
All this is a piece of cattle fencing. I cut it to whatever length I wanted it, bent it in half, put a couple ties up on it, just pieces of wire holding it. And then here on the edges, which I just put this as a precaution in case they try to jump up here, that way they don't bend it down. I just put a piece of binding twine, just kind of help hold it, but I mean, it does a good job. They can go through the holes and get the hay out and everything, and it keeps it from messing on it. So whenever they pee on the hay, they usually don't like to eat it. So it usually goes to waste. So it's better if it's up like this. Ooh, it's still kind of wet.
We have to put water in this little one because they can't reach their heads over into the bigger trough. So these new ones are a lot friendlier and let you pet them easier.
Pebble sure won't. Kids are inside the house. They're at mom and dad's. Dad's in there watching them. So I can get this done. Got the water, got the hay. Now I gotta go take care of the rabbits.
We're hooking up a solar light for the barn. Having to do this because we don't have electric out here yet. And it's pretty far away from the electrical sources to run an extension cord or anything like that for full time. So we're going to put that solar light in there. As you can see, Philip is running it through the edge of the barn, and it will go in and We have the attachment right there. We have one of these in our garage and it lights up pretty nicely when we walk in. Also have one in the bunny barn. I should do it.
We hope you enjoyed watching Chamberlain Family Farms. You can contact us at chamberlainff@gmail.com. You can also check us out on Facebook, Chamberlain Family Farms. We hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe.